what happening in 1922 to 1929, that we will go to discuss right now. What that is. 1922 Chauri Chaura incident was happened in February. Gandhiji was arrested and sent to the prison. Afterwards, Swaraj Party was established by Motilal Nehru and Chittaranjan Das. Later, Simon Commission came to India. 1929, they started what that is civil disobedience movement in India. Civil disobedience movement means we should not follow the laws of Britishers. We should completely oppose the laws of Britishers. That is called civil disobedience movement. Gandhiji said in this movement, we should not follow the laws of Britishers. Ultimately, the Britishers will move to their nation and we get Swaraj, complete Swaraj. At the same time, in 1929, Congress Party met at Lahore under the leadership of Jawaharlal Nehru, and all the Congress leaders took the common opinion, that is Sampurna Swaraj or Purna Swaraj or complete independence resolution. They passed in 1929. So in that meeting, the president is Jawaharlal Nehru, that is Purna Swaraj resolution or complete independence resolution. Later, in the next session, Britishers are called to the Gandhiji, and Gandhiji went to London. Their conferences are held serially 3 years, 1930, 31, 32. That is called Round Table Conference. In the Round Table Conferences, they asked complete independence, but they are neglected. They can't give any promises. But in this syllabus, they give what that is 1939 to 1945 Second World War period also given here. We will discuss right now. In Second World War, Gandhiji and the Congress leaders argued that compared to the Germany and Italy, Japan, Britishers and Allied parties are best, and we support these parties. But without asking Congress Party, Britain took a decision and openly said India is participating in Second World War on behalf of Britain without consideration of Indians. So that's why Indians are not participated either Germany side or Britain side. They are maintaining neutrality. But in 1937, elections are conducted. And before that, in 1935, Indian Government Act was passed in India. Indian Government Act 1935 was passed in India. Afterwards, 1937 elections are conducted. Out of 11 central provinces, seven provinces are elected, and Congress Party lead the government in 7 provinces. So that's happening. Afterwards, in last session, Quit India resolution was passed in 1942, August 8th. This is the last movement in India. That's why Gandhiji said that all Indians should participate, otherwise you can die. Finally, he gave one slogan, that is do or die. So in 1942, August 8th, the resolution was passed, and in 1942, August 9th, all leaders are arrested, and Gandhiji and main important leaders are sent to the prison. But here, what happens? The secondary cadre and the remain students of and the followers of Gandhiji, played active role in this movement.